You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the hell. Oh, this shit don't end.
Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is collaboration with Nadula Hair. They sent me over their universal cap. They sent me over some nails, headband, wig caps, 2 different options, and this bag to put everything in. This is a 7x5 bye-bye knot wig, and this is how the inside looks. It comes with this adjustable band that you can pull to fit the back of your head. It has 3 combs. The 2 at the top are removable, and I'm gonna go ahead and put on my dark stocking cap. I'm showing you how I pull the elastic band and tuck it in. There's a little button that you can hold to push up, and I just push that up and then I tuck it in. I'm going in with that spray, and I'm going to spray down my hairline. I'm using the Sea Breeze to make sure that my skin is nice and clean and dry. Then I'm going to do about 2 layers of this spray and then put the wig down. I make sure it's dry, like sticky, and then I put the wig into it and tie it down. This wig comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and flat. Initially it was like already straight, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how I straighten this wig, so I'm going to be showing you that in this video. While the wig is melting down, I'm going to go ahead and flat iron it. This wig can flat iron up to 420 to 450 degrees, so it can take a lot of heat if you need to put a lot of heat on it. I did put it all the way up just to show you it has a little smoke, but that's normal because my natural hair has that smoke look. And I'm just taking my time and flattening out the hair. This is self-explanatory, so I'll just play some music so you guys can watch me. Alright, then I'm going to take off the band and start melting the front of the wig. I wanted to pluck it just a little bit. You really don't have to if you don't know how to, but if you do, then you can just go in and pluck it for it to be to your liking. I'm pressing it back, and I'm using my Ruby Kisses number 14 cream foundation to blend, you know, the line of demarcation at the front. You should get something like this. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. I wanted to do a little bit of edges because I love doing edges, but if you don't, you don't have to. Just lightly plucking it and then cut it with that razor. And then I'm curling it forward and just using some Got To Be gel, Got To Be spray to swoop. I just wanted some light natural edges, so that's why I'm going back and forth. I'm just taking my time. It's not going to be perfect, but I'm going to do about 2 hairstyles today to show you guys that the 7x5 wigs are, you know, versatile. I am doing a braided look, so I'm just going to braid down 2 braids on each side and then 2 little braids just to show you like a different look.
If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away.
And you should get something like this. This is super pretty. It came out pretty good. I mean, I like it. If you like it, comment down below, let me know. And then I'm going to do a side part with like a little bit like of a layered kind of look over my eyes. So I'm just gonna section off that side and then hot comb it down flat because I'm going for a side part. I did not put any wax. You could use some wax, but I did not use any wax. I'm using some of that Got to Be spray because I want it to mold, kind of have like a flip down type of look. And I'm using my eyebrow razor to just give it like a rough chop. I'm going in with my T3 1.5 curling iron, 1.5 inch curling iron, and just giving it some curls going away from my face. I did do a few curls going towards my face just so it's not going to be like a uniformed, you know, kind of look.
Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Pepper spray on my dime, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my fucking straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my fucking straight. I know I've been away. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my fucking straight,
Then I use some Got to Be to hold that in place. And I'm going to take it out and start combing it out with my fingers. And then I'm just perfecting that little bang looking thing at the front of my face, because I don't want it to be too short. I just want it to be kind of layered side part kind of look. But you have to cut it to get the look, you know, for it to stay, because then it's going to be in your eye. So that's why I keep going back and forth. But this is basically the look. This is how it turned out. If you're interested in getting this elastic band wig, super pretty. It's a natural yaki kind of texture. I'll have it linked down below. Leave me a comment if you like how this turned out. I enjoyed making this video for you guys. I haven't filmed like a hair video in a little while, so I'm excited to film this video for you. Let me know if you like it, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.
you wanna be my hero. You won't even do the hell. Oh, this shit don't add up.